Well, would you look at this? I got a Yuneec Breeze 4K. Mom's bought it for me so I can kind of get better at my business, my photography, cinematography type stuff. Yeah, I can't believe it's in the house. Got it from Fry's, $179, price matched. They wouldn't do Walmart's, so we had to do Best Buy's. This thing comes with 2 batteries, so I'm going to be doing this one-handed. Let's see if I can make this work. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this one-handed. Let's see if I got it. Hold on 1 second, people. You can do it. There we go. All right. Boom. Can't believe it. Got the 2 battery one. This completes my arsenal. I mean, look, I got the Batwing, Spider X, my F100 is in here. I got this all in 1 month's time. Big blessing. My mom's still spoiling me at 35 years old. So, let's see. Comes in this own little case. I didn't really know it was this small. I seen it on YouTube. I didn't know it came in this small of a box. But what's good is I don't have to worry about no. Let's see how we're gonna get this one open. I don't know if we're gonna get this one in. Bam. Okay. I love that new smell. New smell is nice. Okay, so I don't have to worry about a case on this one. Got 2 batteries. Let's see what else comes in here. Looks like the propellers. Documentations. Let's see. Let's see if I can do this here one-handed. Wrong way. Okay. There go the charging stuff. Battery. So I'm about to charge this joker up here. Let's see how this thing. I cannot believe this thing is this small. That is so crazy. Big blessing. 4K camera right there. My first 4K. Well, my Note 8 that I'm filming on right now, I don't know if it's 4K or not. All the way. I think it is 4K. So it's not my first one. But yeah. Comes in its own case and holds both batteries. Would you look at that? I don't have to worry about getting no cases for this thing. Force One F100 was too big. I had to get a suitcase that I had for it. So I'm gonna get these babies charging up, or one of them at least, and start reading up on this bad boy. All right, be back. All right, so one's charging. I don't know how long they're gonna take, but that's how it looks when it's charging. This here is the modes you have. You have pilot mode, selfie mode, orbit, journey, and follow me. And we're gonna see how that's all gonna go down. Let's see, we have download the Breeze Cam app. Okay. So yeah, I came with 2 batteries. Now I definitely would be doing. I haven't even done the follow-up on the F100 Ghost yet, but, and excuse me, I'm a little tired, so I'm a little A little worn out, tad bit from driving in Houston traffic, but it was all worth it here. Automated flight modes. 4K, 13 megapixel. Follow me. Indoor positioning system. I have to figure that out. Let's see. 13 megapixel stills. Definitely going to be on a 1080p or 720. Definitely going to be on 720. It's definitely going to be on a 1080p because I want my stuff stabilized. It's got 16 gigs, more than enough. Up to 12 minutes. Maximum altitude 80 meters. So I don't know what the meter system is, but definitely gonna test it out and find out. All right, people. That's the unboxing. Simple. Get 2 batteries, the drone, some documentation, the charges, and it has a micro SD slot from what I've heard. I'll have to figure all this out and give you guys an update as soon as I figure that out. But it's going down tomorrow because I got 2 batteries for the F100 and I have 2 batteries for the Breeze. So we're going to see. Now look at this. Let's see. Hold on. Got a little discrepancy right here. But just a little. Feels plasticky. It's crazy. I mean, because look at my hand. This thing basically fits in my hand. You got your sensors down here. So, to think that this thing really just goes up and can do all it can do, that's crazy. Big blessings, man. Big blessings. This should take me to new heights. No pun intended. Or pun intended, yeah. Pun intended. So, all right, people. I'll let you guys do some footage, and once I get all this sorted out, I'll see if I can get my first flight. I have to have my camerawoman, my lovely camerawoman, film me while I'm trying to set this all up tomorrow. Got to get in the air. Hopefully it doesn't rain. All right, people. Peace.